You want to learn how to create or open a Claude AI account. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So open up a Chrome browser and go to claude.ai. Now on here, I prefer signing up with Google. It's a much faster sign up process. Or you can use your work email. That works too. Now it's going to give you this verify page where you need to verify your mobile number and age. You can use a temporary phone number. There are lots of options to do this. Or if you have your own phone number that you have not used yet, enter it here and select the country code. Now let's send the verification code. And it's going to send you a verification code on your phone. And now you can click on this verify and create account. And that's it. A few questions and you're good to go. You're now on the page where you can enter a prompt and it will give you a result. And this is it. This is how to create, open a Claude AI account. If this video helps solve your problem, let me know with a like and comment.